Hey guys, I'm the ImTheMacHelper. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get dynamic wallpapers on your iPhone running iOS 14.3. Let's get straight to it. Alright, so in this tutorial, as I said, I'll be showing you guys how you can create dynamic wallpapers. So at the end of my video where I showed what is on my iPhone SE, I didn't really cover how to do it. And it was how I was able to make it so that my wallpaper changes whenever I plug it in. I'll unplug it, plug it in again, and then it'll change again. Give it a second. And then, so yeah, sometimes it takes a little while, sometimes it's quick. But I'll be showing you guys how you can do this on your phone. So I'll be using a different phone just because personal stuff on my iPhone SE. This is my iPhone 6s. You have to be running iOS 14.3 or above. This is running the new, yeah, it is new, the new 14.4 beta 1. So what you have to do is you have to go open the Shortcuts app or download the Shortcuts app from the App Store. Though if you haven't deleted anything from your phone, it should be on your phone. Then go to the upper right hand corner and press the plus button right here, and then click Add Action. And then here you have to go to find. You have to type in Find Photos, FINDPH, and it should be the first one there. Click Add Filter, and then this is which album it's going to use. Select an album of photos you would like to cycle through. Like on this phone, I have not a folder, an album. I have an album called Wallpapers, which just has random wallpapers. And then sort by, you want to scroll to the bottom and click Random right here. And then Limit, select Limit, turn it on, and select it to 1 because you only want to be showing one wallpaper at a time. Before you click Next, you have to click the plus button again, and then this is only, as I said, this is available in 14.3. This is not available in 14. This is not available in 14.2 or below. So type in set wallpaper or set W, and it should be the first one. And then it'll instantly, since it's linked to this shortcut above here, you'll see set lock screen and home screen. And of course on my phone I have it so my home screen wallpaper stays the same, but my lock screen changes. You just select this and you can choose which one you want to change. For this instance, I'm going to select both of them. Click Done, Wallpaper Show More, and then turn off Show Preview because that just gets in the way. And then click Next and name this shortcut. I'm just going to name it Change Wallpaper. And what you can do if you want, so I will go and press the three dots here, press the three dots here. You can add this to your home screen right there. And then if you just want to have an app that you press that changes your wallpaper, you can see it changed. It'll change again in a sec. Changed again. So I don't really need that. I'll show you how I did it when you plug it in. So this is another new feature in iOS 14.3. Though actually I think it was available more in earlier versions of iOS 14, but there's more you can do now when you plug your phone in. So you go to the middle section of shortcuts, you go to Automation, and then you click Create Personal Automation. Scroll all the way to the bottom, Charger, and select, make sure is connected is selected. It by default it is. Then you click Next. Click Add Action, and then type in Run, R-U-N, and then click Shortcuts, Run Shortcut, and then Run Shortcut, and click the Add Shortcut, or just Shortcut, and then select the one you want. Mine's Change Wallpaper. Next, and then this turn off Ask Before Running, and it'll pop up with this Don't Ask Before Running. Yeah, don't ask because it gets in the way. It gives you a notification on your lock screen. Yeah, so if I go to my home screen and I plug in my iPhone 6s, I will also, real quick, after I demonstrate this a few times, I'll show you how you can disable that. These little pop-up notifications, they can be very annoying. Alright, you saw that notification at the top. I'll show you how you can disable that. So you would think if you went into settings, notifications, you'd find shortcuts. There is no shortcuts. What you have to do is you have to go to screen time, turn on screen time. Oh, I'm not even sure if I can do it because I don't have screen time enabled. I'm just going to enable it, and then I forget which one it is. I don't think I can do it here. Yeah, well, see all activity. No, you can't. So what you do, let me go on my iPhone SE, go into screen time, go to see all activity, scroll down to the bottom, and for me, I can't seem to press it for today. But say I go back in time, it wouldn't appear in the last few days because I disabled this earlier this week. But here, Wednesday, it went off 13 times. That was when I was playing around with this feature. You click it, and then here you have access to your notifications for shortcuts. So you can, I'm just going to disable it. Go to my lock screen. You'll see it goes and then there's nothing, no notifications appear. Let me go back to the iPhone success and see, after demonstrating that, see if screen time has updated at all with notifications. It does, but I can't do it because I think you need multiple days of using screen time to be able to adjust notifications. Like there should be a little arrow right next to it, like here. You see that little arrow right there. You're supposed to see it, but I couldn't see it for today on my iPhone success. This is my success on my iPhone SE, my main phone. Alright, so another thing that you can do with the shortcuts is you can also set it to go off at a certain time. So you just press plus, create personal automation, and then time of day. Like you can, if you have a night mode and dark mode enabled, I have dark mode enabled, but if you do and you have it set to sunrise and sunset, then you can change your wallpaper. Say you have a dark version of a wallpaper and a light version of a wallpaper. You can change that depending on the time of day. Or even like every hour you can change your wallpaper. I was thinking about doing that, but that's just a lot of work and it would probably drain my battery. But yeah, so it's possible. You just, time of day, let's just do 9:09. Let's do 9:09 because I don't know when 9:08 is. Next, add action, run shortcuts, or shortcuts, run shortcut, run, change wallpaper, next, turn this off, don't ask, done, and let's just wait. And momentarily it will be hitting 9:09 and the wallpaper should change. So it's now 9:09. Give it a second, gives me a notification, and the wallpaper changed to another random wallpaper. It's not set in any order, which I kind of like. I kind of like the randomness. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos like this, more iOS tips, tricks, hacks, tutorials, and even other Mac tutorials. Basically Apple videos. But yeah, as I said, make sure to subscribe for that. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.